Welcome to our last update of kindergartening for the year. This is Mr. Mark, and our garden word for the day is fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. There are fruits and vegetables, different types of products, but also fruit is what you're trying to grow. There is another spelling for the word fruit, F-R-O-O-T, that you see on this box of cereal. But that one doesn't really count. It only works in the grocery store. When we spell fruit, we're going to spell it F-R-U-I-T, fruit. You may remember that we have already harvested our radishes and our beets, and so today we're going to do updates starting with squash. Here you can see a squash about 4 inches long, already grown. It'll only be another week before it's ready to be harvested. The squash plant has spread out nicely and is filling up a corner of the garden. Green beans are ready to be picked. You could pluck one, knock off the dirt, and chew on it right now. The pumpkins are the last to produce their fruit, but they will be all over the garden very soon. The vines are growing tremendously, and we have them swarming this corner of the plot. I also wanted to show you what the elephant ear caladium are looking like now. The leaves unroll when they poke out from the plant, and they spread out into these enormous leaves, the elephant ears. They're right in front of Gashland School in case you want to drive by and see them growing. That will do it for this year, kids. I hope you've learned some things about gardening and some new words that you can spell. We will be back next year, and we will be planting together. Have a great year.